Welcome to my channel. Today we've got this Milwaukee Fuel Fencing Stapler. This is the farm fence stapler, and this one has an issue. And to show you the issues with the stapler, I've got this brand spanking new battery that I have to charge up, and then I'm going to show you the fault. Look at that, flashing green and red from new. See if you have something doing that there, you just put it into the charger again, it'll usually go alright. See if you pull your new battery out and it flashes green and red, like that, just put it back in. That sometimes happens. 3 bars, we're nearly there, just a little while longer. There's bar number 4 now. Try and fire 4 or 5 in quick succession, she starts to flash this light. In order to get her go again, you have to pull the battery out and put it back in again. That's what you're on again. So that has been sent to Milwaukee to see if we can fix it. And what they've told us is it's going to take £300 to put that right, because they want to put a new whole electronic and starter module in it. But I have another plan. So the issue I've just highlighted with the flashing light after 4 or 5 staples is caused by a minor electronic fault. Milwaukee won't stand over the warranty because it says too old. It's over a year and it wasn't registered for warranty. So you guys in the US, that's the way it is here in the UK and Ireland. Anyhow, there's only one choice available to me to make this go. One more roll of the dice before I throw in the towel with this one. This 3 amp, old, lower output, half knackered battery. See if it solves the problem. Doesn't flash the light with that, so I think it's an output problem. So what I'm going to do is tell him to use a stapler with lower output, half knackered batteries, because that's the only thing this seems to fire with, and it's better than give Milwaukee £300 for a fix. It might not last that long.